What's up, guys? So today we're going to get to a video that I've been debating for quite some time now. But before we get started, don't forget, if you find this information useful, to please give me a like, and if you aren't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button so you can catch me for the next video. Now, many people have asked about the revenue I've made from my 13 million view viral video of me riding my dirt bike through the high school. Now, originally, I wasn't going to give away this information, quite frankly, because I didn't feel it was information that people needed to know. After looking around YouTube and seeing that there were many other YouTubers with similar videos but totally different revenue results, I thought it would be helpful to new users if I put out my numbers so they could compare them. Not only that, but I also want people to see the dangers and how much of a difference it can impact your revenue if you sign your video off to another company. So I'm going to show you the revenue of the dirt bike video along with one of my other videos that I recently posted so that you can see the difference and how much revenue can vary video to video. I'm also going to show you the impact it had of me signing away my rights to Jukin Media. Revenue is a very important part to YouTube creators like myself. For those of you who are also in YouTube, you'll realize that in the beginning stages, or even at the point where I am, you have to reinvest almost everything you make in order to keep producing better content. This is the reason why I tell people who are looking at starting a YouTube channel, you have to really enjoy making videos, because if you don't, you probably won't make it that far, because it takes a lot of time and a lot of money before you start making worthwhile profits. If you'd like me to make a video on how to start a YouTube channel, or even the specific gear that I use, let me know in the comments below. But right now, we're going to go get into the numbers. Okay, guys, so first off, I just want to start off by saying, sorry, I'm just videoing the screen. I'm not sure how to do the video your screen through the computer type thing. This should be clear enough. Hopefully it works out. So for reference, we are going to look at my Duramax video I posted about a month ago. Now you can see that this video has gotten 77,735 views. And out of those views, it has made $342. Now keep in mind, this is a longer video, so it's running 3 ads, but if you break that down, that is a CPM of about $4.50 for every 1,000 views. Now, because it has 3 ads, that's about $1.50 for every ad for every 1,000 views. I want you to keep those numbers in mind as we move on over to the dirt bike video now. Okay, guys, so again, it seems like my camera doesn't want to focus on this specific screen, and I'm sorry about that. Hopefully it's not too bad. You should still be able to read it all the time. Now we are looking at the amount the dirt bike video has made over the course of its lifetime. Now, as I said before, I signed with a signing agency for a long time. So every bit of the money I made when I was with them was on their account. And that account is no longer active, so I can't go back and see how much they have paid me. You're going to have to take my word for it, though, and it wasn't much different than the number you're seeing here. Now, the difference is the numbers are close, but the views I had with them was at least double what it is from YouTube. For reference, we'll say that I had $4,500 in my account with them. So that account plus this account, you get roughly $8,500. Now, that's $8,500 for 12.9 million views. Using those two numbers, you get a CPM of around 65 cents. And that means I'm getting paid 65 cents for every 1,000 views. So now, if you go back and compare that to the amount at which I was making for the last video I just showed you, which was $1.50 for every ad for every 1,000 views, because I have to go by every ad because this video is shorter and I only have 1 ad. So you're looking at less than half this one is making compared to my other videos. And that's how most of my videos are. Most of my videos are over $1 for every 1,000 views. Now, most of the damage to my CPM came from me signing my video rights away. The earnings during that period were very low, like I said. So now I hope you can see just how much revenue can vary video to video, and just how much it can affect your revenue by signing the rights to your video away. So whenever I see people in comments guessing like numbers for how much I've made in the dirt bike video or any of my videos, really, unless you are in the actual, unless you have the actual video stats, there's really no way to guess. The range is just so big at how much a video can produce that you can't really take a decent educated guess, to be honest. Now, I have just touched the surface on what goes into making a video more profitable and what goes into how much YouTube actually pays you. There's so much more to it, but I don't want to bore all of you with over information, the ones who just came to see what actually was made in the video. So if you do want to know more, just comment below and I'll try to answer all of your questions. If you have more in-depth questions, please feel free to reach out to me on my Instagram. I'll leave a link below to my account. I'll also put it on the screen somewhere. If you found this information useful, please do not forget to leave me a like. And if you aren't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.